clients get 15% off plus free shipping on your first online order. Visit madison-reed.com/promo. Take our online color quiz to find your perfect shade. That's madison-reed.com/promo. Try it. Love it. That's the beauty of Madison Reed.
This week at Safeway, get boneless, skinless chicken breast, $1.49 per pound, member price. Plus, mix and match strawberries, 1 pound, blueberries, red raspberries, or blackberries, 6 ounces. Buy 2, get 2 free, equal or lesser value, member price. Also, mix and match Coca-Cola 12-pack, 12-ounce cans, or 8-pack, 12-ounce bottles. Dasani water, 24-pack, or AHA sparkling water, 8-pack. Selected varieties, buy 2, get 2 free, equal or lesser value, member price. Visit Safeway.com. Download the Safeway Deals and Delivery app, or head into your local Safeway for more great deals.
Listen, the last time the economy looked like this, the stock market tanked 50%. The U.S. dollar lost 46% of its value, and the price of oil quadrupled. Yet, while the U.S. economy collapsed and unemployment ran through the roof, the price of gold shot up 1,300%, and silver rocketed over 2,400%. So if history repeats itself, we could see it happen again. Can you afford to miss what could be the biggest gold and silver boom of our lifetime? That's why I want you to call Goldco at 855-GOLD-IRA. Because when you do, you'll not only get the chance to protect your retirement savings with gold and silver, you could get up to $10,000 in free silver just for doing it. This is a rare opportunity. So don't miss what could be your best opportunity to protect your retirement savings. Call Goldco at 855-GOLD-IRA. That's 855-GOLD-IRA.
KFI.
More stimulating talk.
An iHeart radio station.
And welcome back. Can I use your mic?
DJ, hit me! This is the craziest thing I've ever experienced in my life.
Gary Hoffman.
The problem, sir, is that our hero is not, he's not a handsome man.
Shannon
The
Farron.
whole crowd band together and started chanting.
Gary and Shannon.
That's how the show started.